So I'm at a beach called Sanson all the way in Portland. I didn't even know the audio sound because of the wind. Yeah. Check out the beach, the shoreline. It's pretty nice. So the beach nice. We have Monkey Island over there. And Blue Lagoon right around the road. But trust me, it's also nice still. I'll come back here. For the distance, I walk all the way down here. Focus this. Walk all the way down here. Nice, pretty sun. Yeah, so I'm gonna try explore this beach. So the shoreline, nice. But you can see some little dirt right here. So the shoreline, nice. I guess one nobody else in there, you know. Nobody else in there. Nobody else in there. Maybe see if we can enjoy the place. More than mine, we can see some turtles. I need to walk with my drone because I wasn't even expecting to do such a vlog, but mostly just walk with my camera just in case. But the place nice. Wouldn't mind, we could also have some iguana or something. Some turtle. How many of them come out this far? No, some they see them out this one. But this is the motor. Well, round this one. How many of them come out this one? Probably. Still honest. Alright, the beach done right or so now. Say it done right or so. Get some light. So this needs a bit light, yeah. Like a guinea tree. Look like guinea.
But it's
not a guinea.
No.
No, it's not me that eat right now.
Hell.
See some more. Yo, the India work. India work. Look at all this stuff. India work. Look at the clouds. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright. Go up this, walk back up this and see how this stay. Come never. This is only the right side of the beach when you're driving in. So I'm going to check out the left side of the beach when you're driving in. It's a good length.
Yeah.
But G, you normally sit here close to them part, yeah? Or just down this round the salon? Blue or round the salon, round the salon.
Is it deeper or the shore?
The shore. Really and truly the shore. So right now, yo, imagine me I shoot with a kit lens right now.
Yeah, though.
This is the 8, this is the 14 to...
I don't know what none of that means.
So the 14 to 24. And to shoot at 3.5. So I test out the kit lens with the ND filter. I believe no kind of ND filter this. Oh, it's a KNF ND filter, that's not bad. Just borrow this one on bridge and see how I test this out. Because I never test out the Micro Four Thirds with the kit lens yet. But it wide enough. Oh, just wish it was like 1.8. So this is how I normally tell people. You see, if you want the road, formulate a team. So when you formulate a team, then you will know. You know, some just realize say, I can't go in the car. Carry the key there down this way. So it's easy, you know, just formulate a team. Your friends, could be your friends, your family. And then, yo, just put together. When you put together, then you can find out the locations where you want to go in Jamaica. First of all, try and find like free locations. For example, well, Spanish Bridge was a free location until the government, well, not the government, until the people them are the rightful owners them lock it down. You have a place in Clarendon called Salt River. That's a free location, isn't it? You have an X River, but this is not a free location. It's not even $1,000 per person. It's like 3 bills or 4 bills per person. Is it me? Which is Caymanas River. So let's find some locations where you know see you would probably can get in a budget. Is it me? Yo, I've never been to a place where I spend more than $2,000. The only place I've spent more than $2,000 is what's that place in Kingston again? What the place in Kingston name where we take the boat to go across name again? Lime Key. Yes. So Lime Key was one of the only locations I spent like it was $2,000 to go over there. So yes. So all they really need is just gas, food, and entry fee if there is an entry fee. So if everybody put together, you can't tell me say you can't go places in Jamaica. You don't have to be rich. Now stop saying that. You don't have to be rich.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So pretty, so like time and time again people always ask me, yo, I forget this. So I can't bother if I read them locks every time. So time and time again people always ask me, yo, you have to be rich. If you explore Jamaica, you have to be rich. If you do this, you have to be rich. I'm like, yo, nothing like that. It's very simple, you know. It's very simple. This is how I actually get for the road most of the time. There's a couple of key things, right? I own a car, that's one. The road, in a sense where, yo, any little job I get, I try put the money there towards gas or towards food. I don't go to any place where it's going to cost me like $300, $200, $150 to enjoy the place. You have so much free places in Jamaica that you can go to, and you can start out from there. So yo, I hate the idea when people say, yo, I have to be rich in order to explore. I have to be rich in order to explore Jamaica. I have to be rich. I'm like, yo, it's so weird. You don't need to be rich to enjoy Jamaica.
Get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can miss out.
And this is a free location called Blue Lagoon. Just come out to say, yo, you need to be rich. Can't explore Jamaica, isn't it? How you feel? You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yes.
Alright.
I get to
Yeah, the water is a cool one. You know funny enough when you go, the water shallow out there, so? Yeah. Put your foot in the water.
No, say cool enough.
Cool enough.
Just look different. I guess a picture. Oh yes, I did pretty.
It's pretty.
And it just goes down.
No, the swing over the side.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for.